Good morning, dear children. In last class, we studied how to find the solution of a quadratic equation. Here, today we are going to discuss the nature of roots. The nature of roots means the nature of the value of x. Then, first of all, the standard form of a linear equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The condition is a not equal to 0. Okay. Then the nature of the roots is when we find the value of x, the value of x has different properties. That is, for example, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. How will you find the value of x? By using quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Depending on the value of b square minus 4ac, we find the nature of roots. Okay. That is, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, not greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the equation has two distinct real roots. Roots means the value of x. It has two distinct real roots. Distinct real roots means different roots. Different numbers ആയിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് different values ആയിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് എന്തിന് കിട്ടുന്നത് x ന് കിട്ടുന്നത്. That is, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then it has two distinct real roots. Okay. Then second condition, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then that equation has two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it has two distinct real roots. Distinct means different real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then it has two equal real roots. And third condition is if b square minus 4ac less than 0, it has no real roots. That is, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, that equation has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then it has two equal real roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then it has no real roots. That is the nature of the roots. Clear? Then move on to exercise 4.4. First question. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. That is, first you have to find the real roots exist or not. If the roots exist, then you have to find the value of x or find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, then first one is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. First you have to find the roots exist or not. For finding the existence of the roots, we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called, നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നായിരുന്നു, is called the discriminant of the equation. Then find the discriminant of this equation. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, it has two equal real roots. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots does not exist. Okay. Then find the value of b square minus 4ac from this equation. B square minus 4AC is equal to here. This one is A, this is B, and this is C. B square minus 4AC, that is minus 3 square minus 4AC. 4 into A is 2 into 5. That is minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 40, that is minus 31. The value of B square minus 4AC is minus 31. If B square minus 4AC is less than 0, that is minus 31 is less than 0, that is a negative number. If B square minus 4AC less than 0, the roots does not exist. So, B square minus here minus 31, that is less than 0. Therefore, the roots does not exist. Clear? Second one, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here, A is equal to 3, B is equal to A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4 root 3 and C is equal to 4. First we have to find B square minus 4AC. If B square minus 4AC greater than 0, it has two distinct real roots. If B square minus 4AC equal to 0, it has two equal real roots. And if B square minus 4AC less than 0, no real roots. Clear? Okay. Then first we have to find B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC, that is minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4AC, 4 into 3 into 4 minus 4 root 3 the whole square, 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. 4 4s are 16, root 3 into root 3, 3, 16 into 3, 48. Okay, that is 48 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 into 4, 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. That is B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Therefore, it has two equal real roots. If the roots exist, find the value of x or find the roots of the equation. Here, the B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Therefore, it has two equal real roots. Okay. Then, x is equal to value. X is equal to equation minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus b. 4 root 3 is minus 4. B is equal to minus 4 root 3. Then minus b is equal to plus 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac is 0 by 2 into a is 3 is equal to 4 root 3. That is 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6 first root, 4 root 3 minus 0 by 2 second root. 4 root 3 plus 0, 4 root 3 itself. 4 root 3 minus 0 is 4 root 3 itself. Okay. Then the roots are 4 root 3 by 6 first one and second one is also 4 root 3 by 6. Here 3 and then 4 and 6 cancel. Here 2 and 3. Then root 3 and 3 cancelled. 2 root 3 by 3. This 3 root 3 cancel root 3. Clear? Here 4 and 6 cancelled. 2 and 3. Here 3 and root 3 cancelled. Here root 3. The roots are 2 by root 3. Is equal to 2 by root 3 first root and second roots again 2 by root 3. Clear? That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. We get two equal real roots. ഇവിടെ ചെയ്ത മനസ്സിലായോ? 4 root 3 by 6. ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം കൂടെ പറയാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോ. 4 root 3 by 6. That is 4 and 6 cancel. Here 2 and 3. That is 2 root 3 by 3. Then here root 3 and 3 cancelled. ഇവിടെ root 3 വരും denominator. That is 2 by root 3. That is the roots are 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. It has two equal real roots. Clear? Here there is a mistake, that is 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6. Here 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. Correct ആക്കിയാണ്. ബാക്കി സ്റ്റെപ്സ് എല്ലാം കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ്. 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6, 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. ഞാൻ 2 എഴുതിയത് by mistake. ബാക്കി താഴോട്ടെല്ലാം കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, clear? Third question is a homework for you. Then move on to the second question. Find the value of k so that they have two equal roots. What is the condition for two equal roots? That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Clear? That they have two equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Equal roots and b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and condition steps step mark. Okay. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac, b is a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. Okay, then b square minus 4ac, that is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. K square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. That is k square minus 4 2s are 8, 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. K is equal to root of 24. That is plus or minus root of 24. Plus or minus root of 24. What is root of 24? What is root of 24? 24 the root 24. There 24 വരുമ്പം 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 square root. ഇതിനകത്തുനിന്ന് ഒരു 2 ഇങ്ങനെ പേർ വെളിയിൽ എടുക്കാം. Then 2 ഉം 3 ഉം പേർ ഒന്നുമില്ല. That is 2 root 6. That is answer is plus or minus 2 root 6. എന്തിനാ ഈ പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് ഇടുന്നത്? അറിയാമോ എന്തിനാ പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് ഇടുന്നതെന്ന്? അതായത് പ്ലസ് 2 root 6ന്റെ സ്ക്വയറും റൂട്ട് 24 ആണ്, മൈനസ് റൂട്ട് 2 പ്ലസ് 2 root 6ന്റെ സ്ക്വയറും 24 ആണ്, മൈനസ് 2 root 6ന്റെ സ്ക്വയറും 24 ആണ്. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതായത് ഇപ്പം സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് 16 ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു നമ്മൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് 4. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പ്ലസ് 4ന്റെ സ്ക്വയറും 16 ആണ്, മൈനസ് 4ന്റെ സ്ക്വയറും 16 ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ റൂട്ട് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എപ്പോഴും സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് ഇട്ടാണ് ആൻസർ എഴുതുന്നത്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് കെ ഈസ് പ്ലസ് ഓർ മൈനസ് 2 root 6. Move on to the second question. Kx into x minus 2 plus x is equal to 0. Kx into x minus 2. First you have to open the bracket, then form the quadratic equation, then find the value of k. Okay, clear? That is, you have to open the bracket and form it in the quadratic equation. Then you have to find the value of x. Clear? Then, third question. Is it possible to design a mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? Find its length and breadth. Is it possible to design a mango grove? That is, then we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, it is not possible to design a mango grove. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or equal to 0, we have to design a mango grove. Okay, first you have to find b square minus 4ac. For that, given that whose length is twice its breadth, that is breadth is equal to x, then length is equal to 2x, twice its breadth, that is 2x. Then area given is 800 meters square. Area is equal to length into breadth, that is x into 2x is equal to 800. Then 2x square is equal to 800. Then form it in an equation. 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 0x minus 800 is equal to 0. നമുക്ക് b square minus 4ac ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് it is converted into a standard form. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 0x minus 800 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 800. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 800. B square minus 4ac is 0 minus 4 into 2 into minus 800. That is 6,400 plus 6,400. Okay, clear? B square minus 4ac is 6,400. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. Therefore, it is possible to design a mango grove. Then, find its length and breadth. Then find the value of x. The equation is two x square minus 800 or 2x square plus 0x. 2x square plus 0x minus 800 is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is 6,400. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to 0 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac is 6,400. That is root of 6,400 by 2a is equal to 0 plus or minus 80. 2a is 2 is equal to plus or minus 80 by 4 plus or minus 20. The value of x is either plus 20 or minus 20. Is minus 20 is possible? Is minus 20 is possible? That x is breadth of the mango grove is x. Here, taken x is equal to breadth of the mango. Breadth is x ആയിട്ട് breadth is equal to x and length is equal to 2x. ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് breadth എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു മെഷർമെന്റ് ആണ്, ഒരു ലെങ്ത് ആണ്. അത് നമുക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും എന്താകത്തില്ല, മൈനസ് ആകത്തില്ല. ആകോ? That is b is equal to breadth is equal to minus 20 is not possible. Therefore, x is equal to minus 20 is not possible. Therefore, x is equal to 20. Then breadth ആണ് നമ്മൾ x ആയിട്ട് എടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Breadth is equal to 20 and length is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40. Okay, breadth is equal to 20 meter and length is equal to 40 meter. Okay, second and third questions are fourth and fifth questions are, this is third question. Then fourth and fifth questions are homeworks for you. Okay, then this is the end of fourth chapter. Clear? Thank you.